Good morning friends, what's up? So many of you have been wondering about WBJEE counseling. So the result has already been announced, and also as well as the time schedule for the WBJEE counseling. The seat matrix has already been announced on 25th of August, and as you can see on the screen, this is the list of government university and colleges, and then you can see the private colleges like Heritage Institute of Technology and Haldia Institute of Technology, then Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and FIEM. So these are the seat intake that each college will take, and there are specific seat limits for different caste, like for general, OBC, SC and ST. ST seat is obviously going to be much lesser compared to general, and at least the student can have rough idea of what the seat intake of the respected college. The registration and choice filling has already started from today, and you will have time till 1st of September to modify your choice filling. And if you need any help and assistance regarding choice filling, which will be applicable, which college or university will be applicable for you according to your rank, then we can guide you throughout. Our contact details is given in the description. Contact us and visit our office if possible. We will help you step by step how to get in the respective college or the best college according to your rank and also your preferred college, because sometimes the situation is like that for the students that either they will have to compromise the college or compromise the preferred course. So either way, you will have to sacrifice one thing, but if you want the best option, then we will obviously guide you. In the registration process, what are the steps that you will have to go through? First, you will have to fill up the registration form. Then after that, you will have to fill up the application form, then qualification details and contact details. Then you will have to finally submit it. During the registration, the candidates must provide the following details, which includes personal details, academic details, bank details, home address, and also you will need to give the WBJEE application number or roll number, or you can also provide, if applicable, the JEE mains roll number. And the first round seat allotment result will be declared on 3rd September, and you will have time to get enrolled in that allotted institute till 7th of September. And during that process, you will have to go through the document verification, and then you will also have to pay a seat acceptance fee of rupees 5,000. And if you are interested to take admission in the allotted institute, then you can go forward with it and do the admission. And candidate must contact the allotted institute for all the process. And if you want to do an upgradation, and if you are not getting into your preferred college or your preferred branch, then you can go to the next round. Sometimes it happens that either the candidate will have to compromise the college or the preferred course, because not everything goes according to the plan. A candidate may get into the preferred college he wants, but he wants CSC core, but he's not getting in CSC because of his rank. He's getting in IT or data science, but he's not interested because he keeps his priority of the preferred course above preferred college. Then he can go for the next round or any colleges which he's set according to the choice filling. And if he's getting into any college but in his preferred course, then obviously you can go with the option. And regarding this, the choice filling, I've already mentioned that we will guide you throughout. The second round seat allotment result will be declared on 9th September, and all the process will be the same except for the fresh allottees for the second round who will start from there will have to pay a seat acceptance fee of rupees 5,000. And for the candidates who have already paid in the first round but want an upgradation, they won't have to pay any extra. And the process, including document verification and admission, will be the same as the first round. You will have to connect with the allotted institute, and they will help you throughout the whole process. Whatever your rank is, if it's lesser and you're not able to get into your preferred college even through counseling, you don't have to worry, because management quota option is there, and we will do your direct admission, and there is limited time. So I'm telling you to decide very fast within 4 to 5 days. And regarding the capitation amount, you don't have to worry about it. We will discount it as much as we can, because our priority is that the students should get enrolled in their preferred college. If you have any inquiry, connect us in the number given in the description. Until then, I will see you in the next video.